Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw sleeve drive gear. It is also gear but it is a small differences here. So let's see how it's going to be done, and after done the model how it is going to be look. Okay, so first of all set the circle with the inner diameter. It is 28.5 mm. So exit is the pad diamond with a 2.5 mm thickness because I am going to do mirror extend. Let's see preview. Okay, so let's select again this plane. Here now I want to draw two circles. One is 3 circle diameter and it is 30.48, and I want to draw another circle. It is outer diameter, so its diameter is 31.75. okay, so guys, here this is a gate base plate and here we need gate teeth. Okay, in this gate sleeve drive gate they give 48 tooth. Okay, so 48 teeth, we should give 3 lines. Okay, here make this line to line angle distance, it is 7.5. okay, so 360 degrees of the circle divided by 48 teeth, here we get angle is nothing but 7.5, right? So here we require teeth thickness. Okay, so that we will get after draw the complete sketch. So first of all here we should check it out. Okay, let's make this rectangular pattern, make this rectangular to symmetry line. I mean, give the constraints. Okay, here I am giving 0.9 width. Here also I am giving 0.9 width. Here also obviously 0.9 width. So why I am giving 0.9 means here tooth thickness is this point to this point, it is 0.9 mm. Okay, so here this is the given data. From this data we have to draw the gear. Okay, let's see how it's going to be done. Here I am selecting profile, I mean spline. Okay, and go to this line and make a spline. For instance, right here I want to draw 2 lines here again, and one more line. Okay, first of all I want to make this splines as constraint, so let's make this spline as symmetry with this line and give some dimension. It should be 0.75 I think, right? Again here also. .75. Same here also 0.75, and here we need to give the symmetry with this inclination line. Okay, now these all spots are fully constrained. So based on these dots, now I want to make this line as constraint by using symmetry constraint tool. So here the line is, the profile is selected. We need only these spots. Okay, here now I want to make this point consider this vertical line coincides here also. Okay guys, now see here this profile is fully constrained and here required let's see if we give some less thickness what will happen. Okay, here as 0.65, here also 0.65. okay, and make these two lines as construction mode. So this good trim, detach everything what is there. Okay, this profile is completely free now. Right, make this line as symmetry as structure mode. Okay, delete, 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 and here we require these spots also we need to delete. Okay, right, so let's let it all. Here is where this point is required. Okay, here also same. So here I want to make this two dots as construction mode. Right, this is the profile, required profile. Now remove this center part. Let's project this one. Right, now let's see, it is close one. Remove this isolated. This is the workbench. This is the CAD command. This is the extent. So let's see. Here now this profile. I need this profile. Make to symmetry. The circular pattern. Here I want complete clone. And its area is 48 teeth. Here axis is required. This exact x-axis. Let's see preview. Okay. Okay guys. This is a gate required gate. Now let's set this plane. Okay, and select the circle with diameter 28.5. Exit the workbench and select the pad. Here we require 6.5 mm thickness. Okay, right, I can select this plane. Here I require two circles. One is 7 mm diameter and another one is 12 mm diameter, but the center of the circle is maintained by 6 mm distance and the circle is now 12 mm diameter. Right, so coincidence with vertical axis. Right, now remove this line. Exit the workbench, select the pocket and give them 15 mm thickness. Okay, this is the gate. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment section.
Thanks for watching CATTECH Tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.